टाइम जोन और प्ले एंड लर्न ने पैसिफिक मॉल दिल्ली में अपने मनोरंजन केंद्रों को नए रूप में लॉन्च किया है। इस रीलॉन्च के साथ परिवारों, दोस्तों और सभी आयु वर्ग के लोगों के लिए मनोरंजन और अनुभवों की एक नई और आकर्षक श्रृंखला पेश की गई है। एक ऑल इन वन एंटरटेनमेंट डेस्टिनेशन के रूप में तैयार किए गए इस रिफ्रेश्ड वेन्यू में दो अलग अलग लेकिन एक दूसरे के पूरक अनुभव एक ही छत के नीचे उपलब्ध हैं। मेहमान टाइम जोन में गेम्स, राइड्स और इमर्सिव अट्रैक्शंस का आनंद ले सकते हैं, वहीं छोटे बच्चों के लिए प्ले एंड लर्न में उनके विकास को ध्यान में रखकर तैयार की गई खेल गतिविधियां उपलब्ध हैं। टाइम जोन में बड़े बच्चों, युवाओं और परिवारों के लिए बम्पर कार्स, क्रिकेट पिच, इमर्सिव वर्चुअल रियलिटी राइड्स और नए रूप में तैयार की गई बॉलिंग लेन सहित कई लोकप्रिय और नए आकर्षण शामिल किए गए हैं। वहीं प्ले एंड लर्न में 2 से 7 वर्ष की आयु के बच्चे विशेष रूप से तैयार किए गए प्ले और रोल प्ले स्टेशनों के माध्यम से खेलते हुए अपनी रचनात्मकता, संज्ञानात्मक विकास और सामाजिक सहभागिता को बढ़ावा दे सकते हैं। दोनों ब्रांड्स में उपलब्ध विशेष पार्टी स्पेसेज इस डेस्टिनेशन को जन्मदिन, स्कूल आउटिंग, पारिवारिक समारोहों और सोशल गैदरिंग के लिए भी उपयुक्त बनाते हैं। यहाँ एक लोकप्रिय कैफे की सुविधा भी है, जहाँ बिना अतिरिक्त प्रिजर्वेटिव्स या आर्टिफिशियल एडिटिव्स के तैयार किए गए चुनिंदा खाने के विकल्प उपलब्ध हैं। रीलॉन्च के अवसर पर टाइम जोन और प्ले एंड लर्न इंडिया के सीईओ अब्बास जबलपुरवाला ने कहा, लोगों के खाली समय को बिताने का तरीका लगातार बदल रहा है। पैसिफिक मॉल में रिफ्रेश किए गए टाइम जोन और प्ले एंड लर्न के माध्यम से हमारा उद्देश्य 2 पूरक मनोरंजन डेस्टिनेशन को एक ही छत के नीचे लाना है। बड़े मेहमानों के लिए इमर्सिव अट्रैक्शन से लेकर छोटे बच्चों के लिए उद्देश्यपूर्ण खेल तक, यहाँ हर किसी के लिए कुछ न कुछ खास है। इस डेस्टिनेशन में सुरक्षा, स्वच्छता और सुविधाओं के रखरखाव पर विशेष ध्यान दिया गया है, ताकि मेहमानों को साफ सुथरे और सुरक्षित वातावरण में मनोरंजन का अनुभव मिल सके। टाइम जोन और प्ले एंड लर्न ने पैसिफिक मॉल दिल्ली में सभी उम्र के मेहमानों को इस नए और रोमांचक अल्टीमेट फन डेस्टिनेशन का अनुभव लेने के लिए आमंत्रित किया है।
Mall and this venue in particular is very close to me because this was our one of first venue in Delhi, and I remember when we started this right after COVID, it was just a 3,500 square feet area, and the mall told us that this is the only place I can give you, and if you can create something over here, go ahead and do. And we did a very small 3,500 square feet time zone, which was very unlike of what we used to do in the past, and the response was phenomenal. I mean, the kind of love we got from Delhiites was unheard. So immediately the developer came because he saw that there is too much of crowding happening, and he said, "I'll give you another 2,000 square feet behind, and you expand the store." And we did that. And later on, he came back and told me that I could learn bowling, and that's what we did. And so in bits and pieces, this is the 4th renovation we have done in Pacific Mall. When he came back and told us that now you take the entire block and make it a full FEC. So and all this has happened in the last 5 years. So in the last 5 years, we have renovated this 4 times because the demand always kept outgrowing the supply that we had, and that is demonstrated by the fact that people in Delhi have loved us and showered us with so much of love. And this will always stay close because this was my first store in Delhi. We were not known in Delhi; we were always known as a Bombay-based operator. So this that explains the story behind this. So when we got this opportunity to do to a larger format, spanning up to 15,000 square feet, we said that our objective was to make sure that we do justice to the mall foot traffic and to our guests as well. So, and that's where we thought that what all is needed to make sure that we are doing a well-rounded offering, and with that came the thought that, look, if we have to cater to all age groups, then we need to have anything and everything that appeals to that age group. So we said that, okay, what appeals to the college kids and the teens? So that's bowling, and we have the Hologate and the VR and all that stuff. The Party Dash game, which we have got for the first time in India, that's a unique product, and I would strongly recommend to all of you to have a look at it. Fantastic product, very expensive. Not many in India will have it, but we thought Delhi deserves it. So we thought of covering that age group. Then for families and with younger kids, we have video games and arcade games and all of that. And we said that what do we do for the 0 to 6 years or 2 to 6 year old kid? That's where the team came up with this idea and said we should do a small play and learn, dedicated, separate, so that because we've seen when you put a soft play inside an existing arcade, it's too noisy. The elder kids bully the younger kids, and there's a lot of chaos happening there. So we said that we'll separate it, do a separate, give a dedicated 4,000 square feet to younger kids, and we created this format called Play and Learn, which is right there for you to see. And kind of love we are getting is unprecedented. You know, we are booked on birthday parties, and the calendar is looking pretty strong. And that is because today's parent wants to give the best to her child. You know, the world in which we are living in is moving to nuclear family with maximum 2 kids, and most of them only have 1 child. So they want to give the best to the child, and they don't want to compromise or anything. So we have built Play and Learn with that objective in mind. So everything is top class, European certified products. They don't bleed. They are all. The staff is well trained. It's an all female team, and we have a very nice cozy party room, because we know how important special occasions, especially birthday parties for a 2-year-old to a 5-year-old child is. So with that intention we built, and I'm very happy to say that the day we launched, on that day only we had a booking, and that same weekend we did 1 birthday party, and that it has never stopped. It continues to go that way, and time zone has always been so the Play and Learn along with time zone sort of complements and completes the entire offering. Then the suggestion from the team also came that now that we have everything for everyone, one thing which I think we should also do is a cafe, which sort of, because kids are hyper, they run around and then they get hungry and they want to eat something, and then they want to again recharge and again go and play. So that's how we thought of doing a cafe. This is the first cafe in first time zone in Delhi, or maybe North India, where we got a cafe integrated into a venues. And again, we are everything that we are serving here is always keeping guest safety in mind. So we never use any preservatives. The bread is brown bread. We always use Himalayan soil, and all the ingredients are freshly prepared every day. Nothing is preserved with preservatives and just warmed and killed. So that's if we had to do it, we had to do it the right way. We thought that rather than this putting a kiosk and getting food and freezing it up and serving it to the guests. So that's the which we have built this venue, and we are and the design also that we have created is very futuristic. You will see that we've used a lot of LED. This is the first time here in the mall, and I have not seen many in Delhi, where the letters also that you see on the outdoor facade are all glowing LEDs. So this is one of the first that we have imported specifically for Pacific Mall Delhi, because we wanted to elevate the experience of our guests who have given us so much love over the last 5 years. So so that's what I thought I'll share with you. That's been the journey of the venue, and I would only encourage people to come here, experience for themselves, and if there is any feedback for us, let us know so that we can better ourselves. Thank you.
Any special offer on this occasion? You are 4th time already. Any special?
So we always keep having offers. Just last weekend we had our $1 offer, where you load for spend 3,000 and you get 6,000. And in fact, on 15th August we had our venues open at 8 o'clock, where we had bowling at 15 and video games at 8 rupees. So we keep doing these offers time and again. I would always encourage our guests to download the mobile app, because through that app you get a lot of value which you can unlock on every visit of yours.
And you are planning in Delhi and other
So there is always discussion happening. New malls are coming up in Delhi, and we are always in discussion for new properties, and always on the lookout for existing malls where we feel that the entertainment offering is not good. We are on the lookout for many. I can't disclose much at this stage, but you will hear something very exciting very soon.
Any zone like this is the west and the north and the south? What we
Yeah, so there are few markets where we are not yet covered, and those are the markets that we are looking out. We have, like Model Town, we are not covered, so we are looking out opportunities for that side. Then Saket side we are not there, so we are in discussion